Hey guys, today's Easter morning and I just woke up, took a shower, blah blah blah, and then my sisters were awake and we got to open our Easter baskets. And I'm gonna taste some of the candies and you can see what I got. I also got $20 from my parents. So this is the stuff I got. I actually like everything I got this year. I'm pretty sure. Most of these things I've tried before, but no, let's save the peeps. Okay, let's try these things in the bag here. We had like an Easter basket, but we had to take all the candy out because we're gonna like put eggs in it for the egg hunt, you know. Okay, so firstly, Reese's peanut butter eggs. Do you guys like Reese's? I feel like Reese's are kind of a controversial candy. I don't know. I like them. So, although this is kind of, is this supposed to be shaped like an egg or something? Look at this. I don't know. Yeah, Reese's peanut butter egg. You can see that. So they made the very creative shape of an egg. Oh my gosh, I didn't bring myself anything to drink, frick. Hold on. I'm in the computer room. My family is there making a ton of room in the kitchen, so. Okay. Sorry. I don't know if I'm gonna edit that out, because editing videos is kind of annoying. Okay, so happy Easter. I don't know if I said that. Or if you don't celebrate Easter, happy Sunday and happy spring. I'm really excited about spring. And getting to wear shorts. I'm not gonna wear shorts until May though. And yesterday I was at the mall with my best friend and I got some like rainbow striped knee-high socks. I think they're cool. I really like the color rainbow. It's my favorite color. So I think my sister is like, she's kind of like the fashionable one. She knows like what's fashionable and stuff. And she said that wearing knee-high socks with shorts is like weird or like unfashionable. Is that true? Would you wear knee-high socks with shorts? I feel like if you wear them with long pants, then what's the point of them being knee-high? You can't even see it because it'll be like under your pants, right? Unless you put it over your pants, but I think that'd be really weird. So I don't know. I'm just gonna do it anyway because that's why I bought them. And I mean, they're supposed to look kind of like silly or kind of just like playful. I mean, they're not like fancy. They're like bright, like rainbow, like knee-high socks. But and actually, they only come up like midway, like up my calves. But I want to wear them with like jean shorts, you know, and like my black Vans probably. I don't know. I think it'll be cool. Or wear it like in the summer, but on like the cooler days, you know. Okay. So, let's see. Next up, I'm probably going to try some Kit Kats. Now, these are the color, these are like in Easter colors, but they're just regular Kit Kats. They have like They're nice and like pastel. They have like pink, blue, yellow, but I'm pretty sure they are the same thing. Should I try to do the thing like in the Kit Kat commercial? You look. Wait, it's like doo 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 ch. It's like doot doot chew. It's not what the people say in the commercials. That was really bad. Kit Kat. It works much better in the commercials. It'd be really cool if when you did that, though, it actually made the sound. Like, you could just rip it open and go, ch, and then you stab it, it's like, ch, and you bite it, and it's like, and it, like, actually sounds, like, musical, like, in the commercials. Then they would be really fun to eat. Here, I'm gonna, like, run and get some water, because I drink a lot of water, so... Alright. Okay, so let's try some eggs. So I have some malted eggs, which look kind of like this. And wait, I don't know if these are malted eggs or not. These are M&M malted eggs. Or some of them are. Well, you might not be able to see it, but there's an M on some of these. Some of them have M's and some don't. And I feel like there's a difference. Like these white ones are different than these M&M malted eggs. For one thing, the white ones are larger and they're also more textured. But it looks like they're all white. Yeah. And they taste different. I don't think these M&M ones are actually malted eggs. They just taste like M&M's shaped like eggs, I think. Well, yeah. If any of you guys got any good stuff for Easter, maybe you can like comment what you got if you want. I think these are the malted ones. Yeah, there's like a difference. I don't know. There's like a certain flavor to malted eggs. And then, I don't know, here's a bag of milk chocolate mini eggs with a crisp sugar shell. I don't know if that means malted eggs or what. Should I open these? I'm kind of reluctant to, like, open everything because I don't want it to go, like, stale. And I can't, like, eat this all at once. But, I mean, I don't know. I wanna open the Peeps, but maybe I'll just have to, like, eat all the Peeps, like, today or something. That would be a lot of Peeps. But, I mean, it's Easter, so it's like a holiday, right? I mean, oh yeah, I have to do my, what's a word for, like, regular? Like, I want to say, like, daily or, like, monthly, but it's not. It's, like, whenever I do a mukbang. I have to do my mukbangly warning, which is that you shouldn't necessarily eat like me. Although, I mean, it's kind of Easter, so it's, like, a holiday. So, like, I don't think I'm, like, doing anything, like, bad by eating so much candy, but also, like, this isn't vegetarian, even. I actually am a vegetarian, but I do eat, like, the foods that you wouldn't think have, like, there are a lot of foods that, well, not a lot, but there's some foods that you wouldn't think are not vegetarian, but they're not vegetarian, which, I don't want to gross you guys out, but I just eat, like, it's basically just gelatin isn't a vegetarian ingredient, and it's in, like, marshmallows and stuff, but I still eat marshmallows. So, but, I mean, I don't eat any meat, so. And I want to go vegan eventually. I don't know if I talked about that yet. I keep saying that, so I have to do it, because I keep telling everyone. But anyway. Not today. Maybe one day I'll get to do, like, a vegan candy mukbang video or something. That'd be awesome. Peeps. You know what else is bad about Peeps? That you're eating. Well, besides the fact that you're literally eating an animal, it's also shaped like a rabbit. Like, why do they shape food? A, why do they shape food like animals with little eyes and stuff? That's gross. And then B, why do, like, food chains and stuff have the animal that you're eating as your mascot? Like, I can't think of an example, but what's an example of that? I don't know, but you know what I mean. It'll be like a chicken restaurant, and the symbol mascot will be like a little, like, smiling chicken that's like, come to this place and eat me. I'm just kind of creepy. And gingerbread men? Those are shaped like humans. Oh my god, it's kind of weird. So those are Peeps. I don't want to make this long because once I made one that was like 30 minutes and it didn't get that much views. So I think people like them kind of shorter. So I'm probably gonna end it here. You also got a giant, like, chocolate bunny thing, but I don't want this to go stale because I feel like chocolate goes stale really quickly. Although that might not be because I'm opening it. It might just be, I don't know. It might just be my imagination, but I feel like sometimes chocolate tastes really good and sometimes it doesn't, and I think it depends on, like, how, like, recently you bought it. Because if you ever eat, like, an old, like, a Hershey bar that's been sitting in your, like, cabinet for, like, a few months even, it just tastes, like, nasty, even though it's chocolate. That's just me, though. Although Hershey isn't exactly, like, a, like, deluxe brand of, I mean, it's, like, cheap chocolate Hershey bar, but anyway. Alright. I guess I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching. Happy Easter. Happy spring. Spring.